Does your shoulder feel stiff, weak, or even painful? If you tried stretching or random exercises with no luck, don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you a proven 5-minute shoulder routine that focuses on exactly what your shoulder needs: mobility and strength. Stick with me and let's get your shoulders feeling strong and pain-free. I'm Dr. Joey Seyforth, online shoulder rehab specialist with Comeback Performance, and we've helped thousands of people get rid of that nagging shoulder pain and get back to doing what they love pain-free. The shoulder is the most mobile joint in the body, which makes it both powerful and vulnerable. If it lacks mobility, it gets stiff and compensates elsewhere. If it lacks strength, other muscles overwork, leading to pain. That's why we need both the proper movement and stability. There are two key areas that we need to address for mobility, and these are the shoulder blades and thoracic spine. So we have our shoulder blade right here, and we have our shoulder. If our shoulder blade's not upwardly rotating enough, this is what happens. As we rotate, that ball is getting compressed between the shoulder and shoulder blade right there. That's where we're getting that impingement. The impingement can be on different tissues. It could be on bursa. If we look at this side, if we actually get the shoulder blade to upwardly rotate the entire way to that 60 degrees right there, we can lift our arm all the way up. We no longer have that impingement. We can also reach across our body and reach back, and that's going to significantly offload the shoulder and make it feel a lot better. Another big area that has to be addressed is the thoracic spine. The thoracic spine starts below the neck and goes all the way down like that. If we're not having the proper extension in it, if we're flexed like this, we can only raise our shoulders up so much. If we can get that extension all the way there, we're able to lift our shoulder into all those positions more freely and smoother. This quick routine will help you move better and build strength where it matters most. Let's get into it. The first exercise up is wall slides. This exercise teaches your shoulder blades to move properly while engaging the right muscles. You're gonna head over to the wall and place one foot in front of the other for stability. From there, you're going to place your hands on the wall at shoulder height, keeping your elbows off the wall. Adding a light pressure into the wall, you're going to slowly slide your arms upward, leaning your chest forward at the top position. From there, you're going to return to the starting position, focusing on keeping movement smooth and controlled. Complete 2 sets of 10 of the wall slide exercise. I know you're struggling with shoulder pain and you obviously want to fix it, so text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 and I'll send you my free shoulder pain fix demo. Now back to the show. The next exercise up is open books. This helps improve thoracic mobility, which is key for shoulder function. You're gonna head over to the wall and get into a half kneeling position with one side against the wall. From there, you're gonna place both hands together in front of you, then open up, rotating your upper body as you reach away from the wall. Follow your eyes with your hands, making sure your hip is staying connected to the wall. Rotate as far as you can away and then return to the starting position. If you are not able to touch the wall, that is totally fine. Work through whatever range of motion that you can, and this will continually get better, making sure that you can complete 2 sets of 8 on each side. Taking note if one side is able to open up better than the other. This can be a contributing factor to why you're having that shoulder pain in the first place. This next exercise is adding stability and control with an incline row plus external rotation plus press, a killer move for building shoulder strength. For this exercise, you're going to grab a bench and light weights. It is totally fine if you are just using your hands for this exercise or even soup cans. You're going to set up an incline bench, holding light weights with your chest on the bench. From there, there's 3 different positions you're going to get into. The first one is you're going to row the weight up, keeping your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Next, you're going to rotate your arms up into external rotation. Then lastly, adding the press overhead. Reverse the motion on the way back. With this exercise, we're moving the shoulders through multiple ranges and targeting the rotator cuff muscles that provide stability to the shoulders. Complete 2 sets of 8 of this exercise. Lastly, we're targeting the subscapularis, a crucial stabilizer with the subscap punch. This muscle is often weak in those that have that nagging pain in the front of the shoulder. For this exercise, you're going to grab a band and attach it to a rig or door frame. Standing with your inside arm closest to the rig, You're going to start with your elbow by your side, holding the band. From there, you're going to slowly punch your arm straight to the ceiling, keeping your arm in a neutral position and bringing your bicep to your ear. Focus on controlled movement, not speed. This muscle works best under slow, steady tension. Complete 2 sets of 10 on each side for this exercise. These 4 exercises are a great start for many with shoulder pain, with the wall slides teaching scapular mobility, open books to unlock the thoracic spine, and incline rows plus extra rotation and pressing, and subscap punches to work on shoulder strength and stability. And although these exercises are helpful, they are not the long-term fix for the shoulder pain. There needs to be a custom game plan to address the root cause behind your pain in the first place. So if you're tired of guessing and you've tried things like physical therapy, chiropractors, injections, or even surgery, and you're not seeing the results with the shoulders, then text me the word pain to 720-710-4371 to get a tailored step-by-step approach on how to permanently fix your shoulder pain. Our mission at Comeback Performance is to help over 1 million people around the world eliminate their shoulder pain, avoid unnecessary imaging, injections, and surgeries, and get their lives back. After you reach out, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're putting out daily content based on your guys' questions on shoulder-related topics regarding pain and rehab. At Comeback Performance, the comeback is always stronger than the setback.